Yes, my people, welcome back to the channel. It's all about this FR. Let's get this light on. What are 3 things you would say you absolutely love about the car? It's not stick around, I hope it sticks around the corners, but my VXR got 2 options, loud and loud. The B roads, fam.
You can throw them on.
Second, bro. This is a vlog. The car's caught me off guard, lurky still. Yes, my people, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, that guy, and you lot, I'm back with another POV vid, and you lot, you're not gonna see my face today. No face, no case. And basically I'm with my guy H, and H is not gonna be on camera as well because he's all about this bad boy. It's all about this FR.
Damn, Missy Mari got me.
Basically, guys, I'm gonna be taking this car on the B roads, and basically we're gonna see what this car's really about. I've never drove a car like this. To be fair, I've never been in a car like this. And is this car underrated or is this car just trash? We don't know. We'll find out in a second. So obviously I've got my guy H in the background. Talk to me about the car, bro. Like, is this car stock?
So it's a fully stock car.
Okay.
1.4.
Okay.
It's just got an exhaust system, so it's got the full stock exhaust system. I've just taken out the resonator and
okay,
deleted the back box.
Okay, hence the fault and stuff. Because as it is right now, this car sounds amazing. You lot, this car, and this is eco, by the way. This is eco. If you switch it up, when it goes mode right there, mode sport. Now this car sounds amazing, and it sounds even more amazing when you're driving. You hear what I mean in a second. Can you lot hear what I mean? Did you lot hear that? I know you lot heard that fart, man. Unprovoked. This is what DSG does. This is what DSG does, I'm telling you lot. But anyways, guys, basically, before we go any further, H, have you got anything you'd like to shout out? Business, socials, anything?
So I got my own business called Dough Drop.
Okay, what's that about, bro?
So it's donuts. We make handmade, fresh, gourmet donuts.
Oof, sounds like something I want to eat, fam.
Yeah, get out the Instagram, doughdrop.uk.
Okay, guys, so basically I'm going to put on the screen right there, doughdrop.uk, right? You lot get at them. It's going to be on Insta. Donuts. We're not talking about Krispy Kreme donuts, because those are entry level. We're talking about the type of donuts that get you finger licking, right? Yes, the type of donuts you want to eat all day long, and you say, fuck Jim, yeah, say nothing. The road's a bit busy right now, so we're going to go to a bit more quiet area in a second and see what this car's really about. And you lot, I can't lie, straight away coming into this car is already way better than my VXR. The interior is giving. And what it is because it's so similar to like the GTIs and the Golf R, but in them cars, they get a little screen right there, right? Yes. But this, you got it right here. Yeah. And also off camera, you were saying something to me about you could literally get your navigation on the dashboard.
Yeah, on the dashboard, yeah.
Wow. And this is just a 16 reg.
Yeah, literally 16 reg. Like I said to you earlier, man, it's 3 cars in one. It's a Golf, it's an Audi, and it's a Seat.
Wow. It's a Golf, it's an Audi, and a Seat. So why go for one when you can have all 3?
All 3. It's an underrated car, man, this car is.
Literally. And what is as well about this car is you obviously got the option to paddle shift right there. And you got the option to change the gear right there. Oof. Nah, this car is, oh my days, this car is amazing. This car is amazing. Guess what is more amazing? The brakes. They stop, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's something you want in a car. And is this stop brakes, is it?
So they're running some paddles right now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so they're stock.
Stock brakes, yeah.
Okay. That's not too bad. Stop power, stop brakes, but it's moving like you've done something to the power. It's moving like you've done something to the brake. So you're saying off the factory, off the Seat factory or whatever, this car is amazing as it is.
Perfect, man. It's a perfect all-rounder. Imperfect.
Oh, that's what I like to see, and I agree with that because it does look good from the outside. Certain cars, they look good from the outside. Coming to the interior, dead. VXRs. It actually looks good. It looks the part, and it sounds the part, and clearly it plays the part. You know what I'm saying? Literally, fam. We see a bit of traffic. And the second, I'm gonna go on the B roads and see what this car is actually about. If it's as good as my VXR, stick around the corners. We don't know. It's not stick around. I hope it sticks around the corners. But oh yeah, and also he's running PS4, so obviously we're not gonna have any grip issues. If I turn the car, it's turning. If I turn it left, it's turning, which is one thing we want in a car. So you lot hold tight, man. Also, the amazing thing about this car, you put this car in eco, it goes quiet. My VXR got two options, loud and loud. This goes quiet when you want it to go quiet. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're new to this channel, drop a comment, hit a like, and let me know if you enjoy videos like this, because this is actually my first time making a video like this. Let me know if you want me to do more videos like this, because I'm actually down for it. Okay, we're gonna go right for a split second, then we'll come back. So right here we're linking up to the B roads. Oh, it tells you the outside temperature as well. Nice. This car sounds good, mate. It sounds good. Nice, it's got the full beam. The car just sounds good, bro. Literally. Takes the corner like a champ. Love it. That's what you gotta love about front-wheel drive cars, man. They get you chilling. Know what I'm saying? But like rear-wheel drive cars, you got your thinking tries. Obviously, all-wheel drive car, they're smiling regardless. But front-wheel drive cars, they take the corner like you want them to, fam.
You can throw them on.
Second, bro.
You can throw them around the corner.
Literally, you feel it. You feel it around the corner nicely. This car is more of a practical daily than my VXR, I'll be real with you. Cause like, it's literally in the middle of not too slow and it's not too fast.
Yeah,
it's the car you need to sound good when you want to sound good. It's the car you need to be there if you want to speed, and it's a car you need if you want to be more practical. Let's say you got a missus or you got a set of friend in the car that don't really like noise. Just put in eco. Waiting for this lot. The beautiful thing about the car per se is that when you then mod it, when you then decide to start playing around with it, this is not the limit in the speed. It's really gonna get better. But basically, I was gonna ask you anyways, broski, what are 3 things you would say you absolutely love about the car?
3 things I love about the car. I love how it looks.
Yep.
I love how it sounds.
Yep.
And it's 3 cars in one.
Wow. If you're just gonna ask me 3 things I love about the car, I promise you I'm gonna say the exact same 3. No, obviously I didn't realize it was 3 cars in one, but I just said, yeah, I think the fact that it looks good and it sounds good is literally the winner for me. You know what I'm saying? It's the, what do you call it?
Game changer.
The game changer, man. Deal breaker. Literally. I like the interior, man. I love the interior, I can't lie. And I bet the sound system is as bass, as good as it is. Of course, put on a tune, man. I've got a phone in you. Hey.
Wanna get a cut on the rolls, better than my credit.
Yeah. You know, I can't lie. This is a vlog. The car's call me, oh god, Loki still, man. Hey, you know, I can't lie, man. Let me know if you want me to keep doing vlogs like this. I've never really done a vlog like this ever, so let me know if you like me to pull up on random people, because a lot of my friends, I've got guys that drive GTR, GTI, AMG, the all load of it. M1355, limb the car. A lot of my friends drive them. Let me know if you want me to do random vlogs like this and if you actually enjoy videos like this. As always, actually, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Don't forget to donut.uk. Door drop is gonna be on the screen. Don't forget to follow them, man. As always, your boy, that guy, you know how it goes. It's one love and peace out. So I just got the power on the screen. Pow. Basically right now we're going to meet my guy's boy. He's got an S3, so I'm going to be in a VXR. We're going to go for a little drive around the city. Then yeah, man, I might not be doing much talking because I'm just trying to see if I could beat the S3 or not, innit? So yeah, man, you lot hold tight. Your boy, that guy. So the vlogs continues. Wait, so you ever been a VXR?
I haven't, you know.
Never?
Never.
Okay. straight away.
Surprise.
You're in for a treat. You're in for a treat because it's not the average XR, bro. That's it. Just might as well go left, so we'll go London roadside. But that Esprit is a bad boy, he is, bro. I'm telling you.
Hasn't got a lot to lose, she take his snaps, I'm hoping she don't post none of it. Baby girl, tell me what do you see?
Watch my VXR shoot flames while smoking an Audi S3 with 310 horsepower.
Oh, fuck.
In the studio, she thinking that I'm lotioning it. Hasn't got a lot to lose, she take his snaps, I'm hoping she don't post none of it. Baby girl, tell me what do you see? When you're looking at me, is it me or the team?